What is up, boys and girls? It's your boy E-Man back at it again with another video, and today we're doing the unboxing and first impression of the M1 Pro MacBook Pro 16-inch. That's a mouthful, but let's get right into it. So get into the unboxing. I thought they were getting rid of the shrink wrap from the unboxing of the iPhones 13s, but I guess not. Certain products gotta have its own thing. Ta-da! Well, that's different. Like a little circle cut out. Well, this behemoth is quite loaded. It's pretty heavy. But let's put that aside for now. Let's see what else comes in the box. Whoa, that is some high quality braided cables. That's a new MagSafe 3, along with USB-C. So I'm gonna be able to use my old power brick, but this does support 140 watts with the new power brick. So I'm definitely gonna be traveling with this power brick. We'll be getting an extended cord for this thing because it would not stay in the wall. If you use a MacBook Pro or any of the heavier power brick adapters, you know the feeling. Into the package, let's see what we get here. If this thing ever, they did not, what? Oh, I see it, okay. Got a little something. Voila. They were black this year. That is dope. This thing is pretty heavy. I came from the 16-inch. Bam. Ooh la la. New ports. That thermal layout. This thing's gorgeous. I mean, it feels great. Very heavy. Let's get this thing opened up. I'm just gonna remove this thing and voila. So when Apple announced that the M1 project was gonna start last year, I was all in for it. I was excited. I traded in my 16-inch MacBook Pro that had the Intel, I had the 2019 16-inch, had the Intel processor, traded it in, just waiting for the day the 16-inch M1 processor laptop drops, and they did. They did the M1 Pro and the M1 Pro Max. I opted for the Pro because it gets pricey when you get up to the Max. So you may ask, what's new with this brand new MacBook Pro? From design standpoint, I mean, this thing is solid. Of course, you got the etched in MacBook Pro back here, just to make it feel a little bit more premium, just to give them an excuse to charge that at over $2,000 price. But on the display here, we get this notch that just seems to be following everything now. It's funny, but supposedly it's not going to be seeping into your everyday use. But this new keyboard layout is pretty neat. Feels almost just about the same design. It's a little different. Of course, you have the renowned trackpad. This thing is like the best trackpad out there. But like I mentioned before, the ports are back, so that's pretty awesome. Don't really use HDMI that much from time to time, but that SD card is a solid. And then
MagSafe 3 has a new design that supports more power into the system.
Ladies and gentlemen, second day with the laptop. As I'm editing, I noticed the video is a little bit overexposed. Well, a lot. But just a few things that I missed on the unboxing and first impression. The new Liquid Retina XDR display is mad, stupid, crazy. That thing is something you have to see in person. It is just eyeball blazing. In basic terms, 120 hertz refresh rate, basically 4K panel, high dynamic range, gets bright up to 1600 nits. The new speakers on there are even better, as if the old ones couldn't even get any better. The little notch, it's not Face ID, learned that the hard way, sadly. It's just 1080p camera, why we can't get 4K blows my mind. The front-facing camera on the iPhone can do 4K, but there's a lot of new features on this new laptop that I'm loving it so far. It's hot back to pass me. With that being said, guys, thanks for watching another video. We got more content coming on the channel, so feel free to subscribe, share with your folks, family, whatever. The holiday season is coming up, so we have plenty of contents coming your way. Stay tuned, stay blessed, peace out. Out! M1, gotta get this right. The M1 MacBook Pro 16-inch with the M1, no, I screwed that all up. The M1 Pro MacBook Pro 16-inch. That's a tongue twister.